North Carolina. Northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina. Harnett County in central North Carolina. Southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina. Cumberland County in central North Carolina. South Central Lee County in central North Carolina. Hope County in central North Carolina. Until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight. Southeast of Sanford to 7 miles west of Pope Air Force Base to Rayford to near Lawrenceburg to near Bennettsville. Moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Moore County in central North Carolina, Scotland County in central North Carolina, northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina, Harnett County in central North Carolina, southeastern Richmond County in central North Carolina, Cumberland County in central North Carolina, south central Lee County in central North Carolina, Hope County in central North Carolina, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Richmond, North Carolina.